Do you dream of having more financial freedom? Do you long for a creative outlet outside of your 9 to 5? A side hustle could be the answer. It's not just about making extra cash, it's about taking control of your life. It's about pursuing your passions and building something amazing. A side hustle empowers you to be your own boss. You set your own hours and make your own rules. It's a chance to learn new skills, unleash your creativity, and discover hidden talents. Plus, that extra income can make a huge difference in your life. Pay off debt, fund a dream vacation, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? You don't have to quit your day job to get started. Start small, dedicate a few hours a week, and watch your side hustle blossom. It takes dedication and hard work, but the rewards are worth it. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Let's dive in. Ready to turn your passion into profit? E-commerce might be the perfect side hustle for you. Imagine having your own online store, selling products you love to a global audience. No brick-and-mortar store, no crazy overhead costs, just pure entrepreneurial freedom. The beauty of e-commerce is its accessibility. Whether you're a crafting whiz, a vintage fashionista, or a tech guru, there's a market for your unique talents. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon make it easier than ever to set up shop and start selling. But it's not just about selling. It's about building a community. Connect with your customers, share your story, and create a brand that resonates with their values. With passion, dedication, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, your e-commerce business can become your ticket to financial freedom and personal fulfillment. Are you ready to take the leap? Starting an e-commerce business might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Think of it as a step-by-step journey, and remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Let's break it down. First, identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve for others? Once you've found your niche, research your target audience. Who are they? What are their needs and desires? This will help you tailor your products and marketing efforts. Next, choose your platform. Shopify is great for beginners, Etsy is perfect for handmade goods, and Amazon offers a massive marketplace. Consider your budget, technical skills, and target audience when making your choice. Now, it's time to create your online store. Choose a catchy name, design a visually appealing layout, and write compelling product descriptions. High-quality photos are crucial, so invest in good lighting and showcase your products in the best possible light. Finally, set up secure payment gateways and shipping options. Congratulations, you're officially open for business. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to the countless individuals who've transformed their lives through e-commerce. Take Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who turned her love for baking into a thriving online bakery. Or John, a retired teacher who now sells his handcrafted wooden toys to children worldwide. These inspiring stories prove that with passion, hard work, and a sprinkle of entrepreneurial magic, anything is possible. Remember, your e-commerce journey is uniquely yours. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning and growing. So, what are you waiting for? Take that leap of faith, turn your passion into profit, and watch your e-commerce dreams take flight. The world is waiting to experience your unique talents and products. Your side hustle adventure starts today.